Community corrections.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Always sounds like it's a jail.
I know. I thought about changing our name like a couple of years ago, but confuses people.
All right, thank you. Good morning. My name's Patrick Condon. I am the Lancaster County Attorney, and with me this morning is Kim Etherton. Over the years working in the County Attorney's office and as the County Attorney, I've gained valuable experience and insight into the understanding of substance abuse issues, individual needs, community impact, and the criminal behavior. Unfortunately, the traditional prosecution models have not always been effective in addressing substance abuse issues, leading to recidivism, and the community impact was still felt. Drug distribution activities remain largely unaffected. Residential and business theft activity remain steady or periodically increase. Our office worked with community corrections to develop a more progressive diversion program to address specific treatment needs of individuals confronted with possession charges or charges associated with drug use. The result is a treatment diversion program we are announcing today. This now marks the 5th diversion program offered by the County Attorney Office and with the assistance of our Community Corrections Department. This new program focuses on individuals determined to be low risk but have high treatment needs. Community Corrections uses a screening tool allowing staff to place individuals into the appropriate programs and to statistically track and monitor programmatic success. This program is designed to support clean and sober lifestyle, encourage positive decision-making, and modify behaviors that have previously brought the individuals into the criminal justice system. Treatment diversion connects individuals with substance use treatment and local community-based recovery programs. If the treatment team determines that a client needs additional resources, the client may be referred to the Lancaster County Adult Drug Court. Successful diversion programs are an integral part of the job of the Lancaster County Attorney, and it is my job to enforce the law, keep individuals safe, maintain positive business environment, and assist any Lancaster County residents involved in the criminal justice system. Our diversion programs reduce costs to taxpayers and assist law enforcement, probation, the court, jail, and prison. They offer responsible solutions and smart reforms for the criminal justice system and keep Lancaster County a great place to live. Thank you. I'll take any questions if anybody had any questions.
What other diversion programs do you have?
Along with this one, we have just the general pretrial diversion, which started back in probably the early 80s. We then began a vets diversion in 2014, a mental health diversion in 2017, and an intensive supervised diversion program also in 2017.
What was the second one? I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
The second one would have been vets diversion that we started in 2014.
Veterans?
Yes, veterans, excuse me.
Okay. So how do the diversion programs differ from, say, a drug court or something? I'm assuming they don't get charged at all?
No, they like any pretrial diversion program, charges are filed in the pretrial diversion program. If they're successful in the program, then like the other diversion programs, the charges are dismissed.
Is this for felonies or misdemeanors or both? What's the criteria for participation?
We have guidelines set up for all our pretrial diversion programs. Pretrial diversion, the general pretrial diversion is mainly misdemeanors and low-level felonies, and individuals that haven't had a lot of prior contacts with the police in the past. This one, we're going to allow individuals that maybe would not otherwise be available or would not otherwise be eligible for regular pretrial diversion because of their criminal history. A lot of what we were seeing is individuals kind of coming through a revolving door, getting picked up with a low-level amount of methamphetamines, or getting arrested for theft to support their habits. So they would otherwise not be eligible for standard pretrial diversion and probably do not meet the needs for the drug court or things of that nature. So this kind of is the in-between diversion program between general diversion and our drug court. And this will be keyed on treatment.
KFOR just joined, or they may have a question.
Okay.
Do you have any idea how many people will be, how big a program, how many people they handle in the program?
Kim, maybe you can tell us about how many we can handle.
Sure. Good morning. We have looked through currently over 200 cases in the county attorney's office to screen those, do some pre-screening on those cases. And I'm happy to announce that today, as of this week, we are bringing 10 people so far into the program. How many we can handle is, I would guess that we probably wouldn't want to go beyond 20 to 30 people at a time, keeping in mind that we will, they will move through the system, and as they move through, we can pull more people in. So we'll keep a gauge on it. Clearly, if it is going as well as we expect, we may require that we bring on additional staff to accommodate that, but we'll keep our eyes on that.
All right. No more questions? Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
And for the media, this is Jamie. We will be distributing a Dropbox link with the raw clips and the audio for the news conference once it's wrapped up.
All righty.